Hi, boys and girls. Today in math, we are talking about the word equal. Equal means the same. Make the equal sign with me. Thank you. Make the equal sign with me. Good. Equal is a straight line on top and a straight line on the bottom. And equal means the same. Say that with me. Equal means the same. Again, equal means the same. Very good. Today we're going to watch a video from BrainPop that talks about making equal groups or groups that are the same. Let me share my screen with you and we will get started.
Cool marbles. Let's play. Hey, that's not fair. We're each supposed to get an equal number of marbles. How do you make equal groups?
Okay, boys and girls, so Annie and Moby are trying to play marbles and they are supposed to get an equal amount of marbles. The same for Annie as the same for Moby and the same for Moby. So they are supposed to have the same amount of marbles. Right now, Annie has 1 marble and Moby has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is not the same as 5. So she wants to know, how do you make equal groups?
When groups are equal, they each have the same number of items. There are 6 marbles here, and there are 2 of us. So you get 1, and I get 1. Then you get 1 more, and I get 1 more. We keep splitting them up until there are no more left. There are 2 groups of 3 marbles each.
Okay. So now Annie has 1, 2, 3 marbles, and Moby has 1, 2, 3 marbles. 3 and 3 are the same. Each person in their group gets 3 marbles. 3 for Annie, 3 for Moby. 3 and 3 are equal. Let's keep seeing what else we've got.
Each get 3 marbles. I can draw pictures or tally marks to help split the marbles between us.
Okay, so here she drew pictures. We've been talking about that in math, drawing pictures to help us understand. She drew a picture of herself with 3 marbles, and she drew a picture of Moby with 3 marbles to show that they are the same. This one matches this one, blue matches red, and green matches teal. They both have the same. Moby doesn't have any extra, and Annie doesn't have any extra. She also drew tally marks. She drew 1 for Annie, 1 for Moby, 1 for Annie, 1 for Moby, 1 for Annie, 1 for Moby, and now you can see 3 tally marks is the same as 3 tally marks. Let's keep going.
I can also make an array. How can you use arrays to make equal groups? An array is a set that shows equal groups in rows and columns. You can make arrays to help you split things equally. There are 12 cookies here, and we have to divide them equally among 3 people. We can make an array of 3 rows and 4 columns. You, me, and Grandpop each get 4 cookies.
So they lined the cookies up, boys and girls. They lined them up into an array to show how many cookies they had total. They put them basically in a straight line across the rows and a straight line down the columns. And then since there were 3 people, each person or each character got 1 row. So Annie got a row, Moby got a row, and Grandpop got a row. And each row had cookies in them. So they all had the same amount of cookies because each row was the same.
How can you skip count to make equal groups?
Now this is a bit tricky. Skip counting is tough. Let's see if we can just watch it. Some of us out there might be able to skip count already. Let's see what Annie has to say.
Who wants to play a game? Let's see. There are 8 people here, including me. For this game, we need teams of 2 people. So, how many teams can we have? We can skip count or use a number line to help us find the answer. We can start at 0 and skip count by 2s until we get to 8. Or we can start at 8 and count back by 2s until we get to 0. Then we see how many times we skip counted to get the answer. I counted 4 times, so the answer is 4.
All right, so they have 2 in a group, 2 in a group, 2 in a group, and 2 in a group. 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 are equal because there's 2 in each group, and there are 4 groups total. So that was pretty cool how she divided everyone up into groups for the game.
That means we can have 4 teams with 2 people on each team. Arrays and skip counting can help divide items into groups, but...
All right, so boys and girls, that was our lesson today on making equal groups. The number or the term equal means the same number of objects in each group. So we have to have the same number. If I say 4, you say 4. If I say 2, you say 2. That is equal. Very good. Let's try one. If I say 1, what is equal? You say 1. Good. If I say 5, what is equal? You say 5. Very good. 5 and 5 are the same. If I say 10, you say 10. 10 and 10 are the same. Boys and girls, the word equal means the same. Say that with me. Equal means the same. Very good. Have fun doing the rest of your math today. Bye-bye, friends.